So it's time to have a look at the ClearProp model new releases in 2025, another great Ukrainian Scalemodel manufacturer. Now, ClearProp does not release a catalog as other big brands maybe are doing. At least I couldn't find it online. But, as you maybe know from last year, that we have a little hack on how to find out any future releases of any brand. You ready to find out? Let's go! So besides model kits, ClearProp does also produce accessories and masks for their own, and I believe also maybe for other kits. We will find out. Now, they have 3 different type of kits. They have starter kits, advanced kits, and expert kits. And they really have a difference in between these 3 categories. So this starter kit costs 18 euros, and it's made with 5 sprues. It comes with 5 sprues, one of which is clear, and a decal sheet. That's like a typical starter kit. Now, this is another starter kit. Let's have a look at an advanced kit. Here, the KI-51 Reconnaissance. This costs 22 euros, and it comes with 7 sprues, 1 clear sprue, of which one is clear, a set of photo-etched parts and decals. That's an advanced kit. So the number of sprues is increasing, and also they have a photo etch part coming with it. Let's quickly check another advanced kit. Tilda. Okay, it's Tilt. Another advanced kit, also 22 euros. It comes 4 sprues, 1 is clear, and a decal sheet. Why is this an advanced kit then? Ah, there's also photo etch parts. I think they forgot to mention this here. Hey, feedback to ClearProp. You forgot to mention the photo etch part in your DH88 172 advanced kit. This is how we find out stuff. Just looking for an expert. Starter. Where are the experts, man? Advanced. Okay, we're in advanced section. Advanced. Starter. Advanced. Where is the expert? And this one here is an expert kit. This one is quite costly, 44 euros. It comes with 11 sprues, one of which is clear, 2 sets of photo etch parts, and 5 decal sheets. And this is in 172 scale. Remember, it's not 132 or something. Look at this. Okay, here we have more than 11. I think they have every sprue is like twice here or something, but 11 sprues for a 172 scale MiG-23. That's what they call an expert kit. Others would call it like over-engineered. It's just very highly engineered experts kits. Now, before we start, please do not forget, like the video, subscribe the channel if you haven't already. It's completely free of charge, alright? So please do it and you'll be notified for the next upload. Thanks a lot, man. Okay, so now let's have a look what we can find out what ClearProp has planned to release in 2025. Because once again, we are referring to Scalemates. I mean, thank you, Scalemates. You're really something like an online Bible for hobby kits, model kits. All right, so we have we have set the correct filters here. And with the correct filters, we can check for future releases. Now, I also have included 2024, not only 25, because we just recently have made the experience that brands are like announcing stuff for 2024. It's in their catalog or in their announcements, but the release of the kit will be in 2025, and it will be like a new release as well for 2025. So let's have a look here. We have 45 results found. First, there is a detail and conversion set for the Arado AR240, an exhaust set, painting masks, BTR4 wheel set for all kits. So you see they have also accessories, as I mentioned, Chinook painting masks, Boeing 4FB, full kits, 2024 new tool. Is it? Is this already released? No. So we have the first one here. This is not really a good image. Do we have to imagine the rest? Or what is this? Okay. Boeing 4FB in 148. Full kit. Future new tool. There's nothing really here, huh? Boeing F4B. Do they have anything on their webpage? Huh? Callback? No, I wanna search. Where's the search? Don't you have a search? Am I too stupid? Nothing found. Okay, so there we have the first release of 2025. I hope, because this should be released in 2024. So maybe we can expect this for the next year. Now let's keep it going. Here's another painting mask for the J10B. Then the Culver PQ. That is 2024 new tool. Looks like it has been released, huh? Let's get it on. A Mirage painting mask. Then the DH88, that was released in 2024. We had this in last year's video, announced. DH88 engine parts, DH88 vacuum formed canopy. Vacuum formed canopy, really? I thought this is like only in the very old. I don't know, I can't really see much here. Vacuum formed canopy. I don't know if is this what I think it is? Then we have the Gloster E28 39 Pioneer in 148 scale. This kit has already been released in 2024. There are some P parts for it. There's a wheel set for it. And of course a double-sided mask set. So they really just provide the entire package. Smart idea. Smart business ideas. Here. LAGG3. GG, bro. LAGG3. Lock 3. In 148 scale. Future. So this hasn't been released. We can expect this, I guess, for 2025. It's a Russian-produced aircraft. 1943 production. Then we have an F-35 wheel set. HIMARS masking set, the B-26 Marauder double-sided painting masks, some more accessories, all released in 2024. And then we got this baby here, this beautiful baby here, the F-86A Sabre in 148 scale. This has been released in 2024. And here we have her little sister, the F-86A Sabre in 172 scale. And this will be the first release of ClearProp in 2025. Actually, I think they have it now for pre-ordering or for ordering. It's just out now. Yeah, I think you can order it at the moment. It's a 2025 new tool. This is brand new. Very beautiful. Look at this. I love it. I love this type of... I'm really getting into this like early jet era. Very beautiful. Okay, let me just go quickly back here because I realized this is tricky. He's kicking out my filter. There's also a wheel set for the ME410 in 172 scale. Wheels and exhaust set. They have a bunch of accessories now for the ME410 in 172 scale. For the Airfix and Fine Molds kit. Ooh, let's have a look here. MiG-19 PM. A new tooling for 2025. It comes in 172 scale and it looks lovely. Have a look at this, man. We don't know. I guess this is an advanced set minimum, but I don't know. It doesn't say anything here. Not yet. Full kit in 2025. Wow. The MiG-19 PM. This will be a good one, huh? And it fits the narrative of the F-86. Then we also get a MiG-19 in the same scale, Beautiful, huh? Okay, let's get it on. That's a wheel set. And here is the next new tool. Okay, the SU-25 Frogfoot in 172 scale, already announced as advanced kit, already announced in 2024, because we included this one in last year's video. This is a bit strange that in 2019 there were new parts and in 2025 there's a new tool. But never mind. This will be released in 2025 as well. And that's the third jet that ClearProp is announcing for this year. Okay, then we have Kübelwagen Type 82 wheel set. Kübelwagen Type 82 wheel set. In 148 and in 172 scale. Nice. And there's another one even. I found one more. Another full kit in 172 scale. Oh man, good news, huh? So many kits in 172 scale. I'm sorry for you guys who like the bigger sizes, but maybe, this is not the full catalog. They will maybe announce something in your favorite scale as well, okay? Don't be sad. Okay. E1B Tracer in 172 scale. 2025 new tool. Look at this thing, man. What the hell is this? Wow, look at this, man. Look at this. E1 Tracer. The Grumman E1 Tracer. Whew. 2025. Full kit. I'm expecting this to be an expert kit, maybe, huh? This looks very detailed. What is this here? A folded wing? Crazy stuff. Okay, so we have 5 new releases, 5 full kits. Besides their accessories and masking sets and decal sets that they release, we have 5 announced full kits, model kits, of which 4 are in 172 scale, and this one here, this one, the Lavochkin Gorbunov Gudkov, the LAGG3. So it's GG for everybody who loves 148 scale. 3 jets, I believe, and 1 other propeller machine in 172 scale. And these are only the ones that we know of right now, because ClearProp, like Edward and Arma Hobby and other brands, they are not releasing like the full catalog at the beginning of the year, with a high cost, a high producing cost and stuff like that. I think they're more focused to do step-by-step releases, and they can announce they have a lot of stuff in development, but more or less they will see what will be first and what could make it into this year or maybe into next year. So it's a good year. 2025 is going to be a good year concerning model kit releases, because as I mentioned, we will have the kits announced for 2024 in this year. It's like Christmas comes a bit earlier this year. I have the feeling. What do you think? How do you like the planned releases of ClearProp for 2025? Please let us know down here in the comment section. We always love to hear from you down in the comment section. And if you want to have more information about new tooling coming out, for instance from Revell, please check out the video I'm showing you right now, because there we are going through the entire Revell catalog of 2025, and in my opinion, it's a good one. It's a good one, okay? Yes. So thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.